welcome back. Some big news again for HBAR that I'll be covering today. Firstly, let's look at the price action. So again, very little movement that's sort of been happening recently. There was a bit of a rebound yesterday evening where the crypto market started to pick back up and move towards the upside. I think we're still in deep accumulation territory, and those who continually look to buy will probably be rewarded in the long run. Onto the big piece of news that we've had in the last sort of 12 hours, and that's the Bank of Korea has finally completed their first phase of their digital currency pilot. So the Bank of Korea has successfully completed the first phase of its central bank digital currency, or CBDC, central bank digital currency, mock testing, which they started back in August 2021. This is absolutely massive news. It's looking at the institutional and sort of almost countrywide scale adoption of Hedera and its use cases. They turn around and say here, we will confirm the possibility of operating various functions such as offline settlements, application of new technologies, and the intention to strengthen privacy protection during the second phase of the test. Bank of Korea is also looking to onboard financial institutions for the second phase, quite similar to what China is currently doing with its digital yuan. However, unlike China, Bank of Korea issued digital currency would also focus on user privacy. So this is utilizing the Hashgraph algorithm to effectively reinvent the currency under the guise of a CBDC. This is absolutely massive. They're one of the first. We can see here currently 91 nations are working on their sovereign digital currency, and only 14 nations have reached the pilot phase as per the data from the Atlantic Council. So of those 14 that have reached the pilot phase, several of them are using Hedera. They are building on Hashgraph to leverage this. Absolutely massive. The other thing I wanted to touch on in this video is the potential for Hedera to claim the spot from Solana. Very similar to layer 1. Hashgraph uses or is ABFT, Solana is not. Solana sacrifices security for 4 millisecond block times and speed. Hashgraph can be used in mission critical apps and trusted on larger scale projects where you're just not going to get that with Solana. It's why you'll see Solana sticking to the crypto and DeFi space primarily, and Hashgraph is branching out into every major industry you can think of, with joint enterprises joining the council, rumors around Google, CBDC implementation. And once Hedera cracks the nut, so to speak, with the NFT marketplace, I believe that its market cap will be reflected and potentially equate or surpass Solana. And if we actually look at this and we look at the market cap in perspective, if Hedera had Solana's market cap currently, and obviously there's been a bit of a pullback of just shy of $30 billion, one HBAR will be worth in the region of $1.50. Compare that to the prices we're looking at today of around 20 cents effectively for one HBAR. There is a 656% upside here. It's absolutely unfathomable potential for something that already sits within the top 50 largest cryptocurrencies. You know, this isn't a meme coin you're buying. There is a degree of stability here. Take that with a pinch of salt. Not only that, the way Hashgraph or Hedera or HBAR sort of has built itself from the ground up, there was very little marketing. It was all focused around speed and security, sustainability with its energy consumption, and scalability primarily. That initial investment into doing that and not shilling itself is paying off. They are now able to, as we've seen, check out my previous video on them going open source, they're now able to leverage themselves by going open source to get this widespread adoption, and it's just beginning now. There's absolutely massive potential here, and I think we can see this price is going to start creeping back up as the crypto markets start returning back to normal, and we get this final leg of the bull run per se throughout the next couple of months. I think Hedera is going to be one of the top gainers, and effectively as the hashtag hype the substance takes off and continues, the price is going to follow suit. Anyway, guys, I'll keep you updated if any more news sort of comes out. Cheers for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Drop a comment, start a discussion, and I'll see you soon. Bye.